Today I am going to talk about the most frequently asked questions in Java areas for the test automation position STAT and sometimes for the manual positions. So I am going to talk about top 5 Java areas. I am only going to talk about the areas, not about the specific questions, since it's important to develop the concept around these areas so that to able to answer any question asked on you. So start with the number 5, which is exception. And as you know, it is very important concepts of Java, how to handle the exceptions, how to use the try catch block, and what is check uncheck exceptions, difference between throws and throws, etc. Now coming to the number 4, which is arrays and collections. So you should have working knowledge on arrays and collections. Without the knowledge of arrays and collections, you can hardly able to write the code for the problem statement that will provide to you to solve. You have to know arrays, both one dimensional and two dimensional. You may need to know the basics of array list, map, and different methods so that you can easily construct your solution for the problem statements. Now coming to the third, which is a string, and I don't think I need to talk much about it, so everybody know how important it is. And especially you need to know the string buffer, string builder, and all the relevant methods like char@, index@, how to extract a sequence of characters from string, or the important areas like how to manipulate strings, get a part of a string, etc. Now coming to the number 2, which is class, interface, and abstract class. And as you know, these are the basic building block of object-oriented programming. So one should know the concepts and difference between individual like class, interface, abstract class, and when we should go for which one, to class, interface, or abstraction and implementations. Now coming to the number 1, and which I think it's overloading and overriding, and it's the most loved questions from the interviewer side. So it would be like a litmus test that when interviewers start, he will ask you one question related to overloading and overriding, and it is, I would believe it is a golden opportunity for you to explain with a beautiful example, and it's all set. So all I said is that at least try to attempt to write the code when interviewer asks you a problem statement, and to do that you need to do some practice, and best way to do is go to HackerRank or HackerEarth, find out the Java questions and attempt there. Okay, all the best for your presentation and best preparations and best wishes for your interview. Thank you.